The workshop opens at InfinityChainSA. We see financial growth like a workshop. You do not walk in with raw material and expect it to become something valuable by itself. You measure. You shape. You learn the tools. You make careful choices. That is how assets are built. Not through noise. Not through panic. Not through guessing with a serious face. Raw ambition needs shaping. Ambition is powerful, but it needs direction. A goal without structure can turn into stress very quickly. That is why InfinityChainSA helps users turn financial ideas into practical plans. We support every stage, from the first step into trading to more advanced strategies, with tools, expert guidance, market insight, and support that keeps the process easier to manage. Tools do not replace skill. A good workshop has strong tools, but tools alone do not build anything. The user still needs knowledge, timing, practice, a clear reason behind each move. InfinityChainSA brings together over 2K tradable goods, 20+ transaction methods, and access across 100+ countries, giving users room to explore different opportunities without losing sight of the plan. Build, test, improve. Every strong method needs feedback. That is where real-time signals, fast execution, and professional tools come in. With 300+ tools, spreads from 0.0 pips, and 24/5 expert advisory, users can study the market, act with more precision, and keep improving their approach. The aim is not to make trading feel complicated. The aim is to make progress feel workable. Assets are built with patience. At InfinityChainSA, we believe success is built by people who keep learning, keep adjusting, and keep protecting what they create. One decision. One review. One stronger habit at a time. This is not a shortcut. This is the Asset Workshop. And this is InfinityChainSA.